Okay, what's up guys? This is Ben Arkell with passiveautomation.com. I'm coming with you again with another video. I want to talk about how to build a six-figure business online. Okay, we all want to make money online and there are certain principles you guys have to follow. So let's start with number one, okay? And number one is start, okay? And I'm gonna add a little caveat. Don't stop, okay? So there's tons of people who want to make money online. They want to have results, but they're not willing to pay the one price, and the price is this. The price is consistency, okay? So if whichever way you're gonna publish, through YouTube, through a blog, through podcast, if you're gonna use Pinterest, whatever you're gonna do, you need to be consistent with your material. Okay, right here you can see this is a YouTube silver play button that my daughter won. She's a really good pianist. Her channel is called The Piano Gal. The reason she achieved 100,000 subscribers, consistency, okay? She kept doing it. You know, it doesn't mean she would be consistent with the video, you know, every day or every week, but she never stopped. There were some gaps when life happened and things happened, but consistency. So guys, if you're gonna try to start to make money online, you gotta be in it for the long haul. I remember asking a mentor once, I said, hey, you know, is there still opportunity? And he said, it just depends on how long you're in for it. If you're in for the long haul, there's plenty of opportunity, okay? So number two, I'm gonna write this down. So systems. You need to set systems in place, especially for passive income. If you want to develop passive income online, you have to develop systems. You have to have systems as far as how you create content, whether you're batching your content or specific templates you use. You have to have an email autoresponder, okay? You have to use chatbots. You have to have a lead generating tool, all right? Let me tell you why. So just the other day, yesterday actually, when people come to my website, there is an opportunity for them to enter their email and receive a free list of some of the highest paying affiliate offers. So someone entered their email, got that email from me, but then they responded back to me and they said, hey, look, Ben, I'm really interested in a product that you're pushing called The Core. Can you tell me a little bit more about it? I'm just trying to figure out if it's a good fit for me. Is there any more information you give me? Okay, now let me tell you, what did I do yesterday to get that person to reach out to me? Nothing, okay? But what I had done is, a month ago I published that article, and now he's just reaching out to me. So that's the wonderful thing about creating systems, is that it works in the background for you. So you have to set up these systems to bring your content to people and also to give them an opportunity to reach out to you, okay? Now the third thing I want to mention, as you create this content and you're selling products or you're referring people to other products, and you have these systems, these follow-up systems, what's going to happen is you're going to start to generate revenue, okay? And you're going to have profits. So what you need to do with those profits is you need to reinvest them in the business, okay? Now one thing that you can do, a way to reinvest, is spending money on better programs and better systems that help you to run your business smoother. So one thing I've done, there's a little tool called RecurPost. What RecurPost does is it actually will help me republish my blogs and some of my posts on social media. And it costs like 25 bucks a month, but I load everything up and then it just reposts it on a set schedule. Now for me, I could have done that all by hand, right? But it was time. And so for me to be able to use my profits to reinvest in some software that helps me get my job better, done quicker and easier, that's just worth it for me. So you need to do something similar. You need to invest in tools that will help your business run smoother, but also you need to invest in stuff that will help you personally to be a better person and to improve your skills, whether it's through a mentorship. I joined my mentor lab, okay? It's coaching from 4 very successful online marketers, and it's helped me to increase my information, my knowledge, my skills, which is gonna then in turn just help my business to, that's an arrow up, just continue to keep growing. There's also ways to scale up your business using, if you're running ads and you want to take some of the profits to run more ads, that's another way to do it, just to build momentum and reinvest, because essentially you're not gonna increase your revenue. You're not going to reach your goals unless you are reinvesting back in your business. And that's probably one of the biggest things that people fail at, is they see money and they want to spend money. But if you can take the money that you have and use it to create more money, that's the better route to go. Okay, the last thing I want to talk about real quick is, so this is something that's not talked about a lot, but I just want to put a plug in this for this. I think part of achieving success online and in anything you're trying to do in life is build people up. Okay, I think our society, we're so self-centered. We feel like we need to make all the money. If we're making money, someone else can, or if someone else is making money that we can't. That's not true. I feel like if you're willing to give of yourself and to build other people up, then karma or nature or whatever is just gonna kind of come back to you tenfold. I have a buddy of mine, he's a really successful blogger. His name is Chris. If you go to his website, it's incredible, tons of incredible material. And one of the softwares that he is an affiliate for is ClickFunnels. And for anybody who becomes a ClickFunnels member through his link, he gives this huge list of bonuses, like incredible. So I had already signed up for ClickFunnels, so I couldn't get those bonuses, but I was willing to give him a testimonial for something else. I was just like, hey Chris, I saw this thing you do and I really am impressed with the way that you help people out. I want to do a testimonial for you. And I just wanted to help him out, right? And he's like, you know what, that was really nice of you. Here's my whole bonus package. I'll let you have it for free. And I didn't have to do that testimonial, right? And I wasn't expecting anything in return. And I don't think Chris thought I was expecting anything, but because I was willing to give of myself, he was willing to give of himself. And I think what we all at the end of the day want to do is we want to create value for people. We want to help people. And as we're willing to do that, we will grow and we will have more success as other people are having success as well. So I'm going to highlight that one. I'll build people up. See what you can do to lift up other people. And I guarantee you that will have a huge impact on the success of your online business. And it's not something that I feel like is talked about a whole lot. So guys, again, these are some tips to help grow your online business, help grow your passive income, to hopefully get you to 6 figures in 7 and 8 and 9, okay? Again, Ben Arkell, passiveautomation.com is the website. If you click the link below, there's actually a link for an affiliate bootcamp where you can learn more about affiliate marketing. Reach out to me with any questions and we will catch you on the next video. Thanks guys.